Bejik nijnes way ni win. Nanen enen gold was way. Nij was way. Nish was way. Jungus way and middas way. We will teach you how to count to 10 in OJIBWE. Moen. Bonjour. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day, let me pull it up here, Dewe Igun. Dewe Igun is the drum. Today I would like to discuss the drum beat, the sacred Ojibwe drum, heartbeat of Mudder EARF. I think that's what I called the show today. Heartbeat of Mudder EARF. And this right here, this is a Dewe Igun Natig. Dewe Igun Natig. A drumstick. Oh, that's really good. Baka kokwanak Dewe Igun Natig. That's a really good drumstick, Grandma. No. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry? Anyway. So today, I think we're also we might just take a call from Count Von Count. I wanted to teach him how to count to 10 in Ojibwe Moen, in the Ojibwe language. I wonder what kind of music Freddie Mercury would be making now if he hadn't died. How come nobody thinks Freddie Mercury faked his death? You know, with every other celebrity, you kind of go, yeah, but did he really die? With Freddie Mercury, we all went, oh, yeah, that guy is... I guess because we all saw that last video where he looked like a skeleton. Poor old Freddie Mercury. Can anybody find me somebody to love? Na 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 na. What else? Dewe Igun, the drum. Now, when I was a little guy, what? What do I know about the Dewe Igun? I don't know. People make a big deal out of it. You know, the powwows and the drum. They're sacred ceremonial drums. You know, oh, the day we win. Oh, look out. We're getting traditional now. Come on, boys. Have a seat at the drum. Way-de-ya, hey-ya, way-hey-ya, hey-hey-ya. Hoka, hey. The drum. I like how Ojibwe people like to pretend we invented the drum. You know, there's a story about, what is it, white buffalo calf woman. I don't know what happened to her. But she had to teach the Ojibways how to make a drum or something. And here are the drum songs. Really? You don't think cavemen were playing the drum? I think babies play the drum, for crying out loud. So, I don't know. I don't think the drum is sacred any more than I think birds are sacred. I mean, yeah, everything's sacred, but it's just a musical instrument. In Ojibwe, we call a musical instrument a mudwewe chikan. Mudwewe chikan. And in the word mudwewe chikan, there's the mudwewe, which sounds kind of like made, which I don't know if there's a connection, but I mean, the drum is sacred, and the drumstick, is what we use to make the noise. It adds rhythm to the songs you sing. I mean, the birds don't need a drum, and their songs are just as spiritual as our songs. But, I think singing is like prayer or worship in a way. I mean, it's spiritual. Like you can definitely have negative demonic energy with music. Anything you see at halftime at the Super Bowl or the opening ceremony at the Olympics or anything, what's her name, Billie Eilish does. That stuff is just negative, gross. Oh, Burning Man. Not Burning Man. Yeah, Burning Man, definitely. But, I don't know. A lot of modern music is just really dark. And people used to blame Kiss back in the day. Oh, you guys are demonic. It's like, come on, get out of here, you guys. Kiss rocks and rolls all night and parties every day. That's not demonic. All this gross, I mean, I don't know if you guys pay attention to that or not. Hey, Wally Bear is here. How you doing, Wally Bear? Welcome to the show. Have a seat at the drum. Wally Bear's here again. Wait, hey, away. Wait, hey, Wally Bear. BOOZHOO mino gigaje. Good morning. But to tell you the truth, I kind of thought I would talk about the drum today, not because I think it's important. It's not. But because I think YouTube thinks if I have a title like the Sacred Native American Drum Ceremony and religious then it gets shared around. But if I go, yeah, the drum, how about that, whatever, who cares? I just don't know anymore. Hey, who's this now? Jim Dunn. BOOZHOO. I started playing the drums 60 years ago. Just one drum or the drums? I'm a guitar player, but when I go see a band, which is almost never anymore, I'm mostly interested in the drummer. Drummers can be really good, really fun to watch. And then they make the difference of a good band or a bad band. You got a bad drummer, you got a bad band. It doesn't matter how great of a singer and guitar player you are. But if you're a pretty mediocre singer and guitar player like me, and you get a good drummer, wow, suddenly you sound professional. I got a lot of respect for drummers. Little girls. Come on, birds. Ambe Beneshiag. Nagamunda. Come on, birds, let's sing. What's a good bird song? Well, bird is a word. Haven't you heard? The bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is a word. No, I don't know. All right, I'm sorry, you guys. I better go inside. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hey, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. Are you ready to come inside? Come home? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. Let's see now. That is, 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay. Hey, Myrtle. Hi. How you doing? I'm doing great. How are you? Oh, not too bad. You ready to do a show? Yeah, I was just out talking to Wally Bear and Jim about the drum. The DeWay gun? Yep, the DeWay gun. Drum. DeWay. Okay, here, kids. This is a good little reminder. Remember, E's sound like A, like in the word OJIBWE. So this isn't called the DeWe IGAN. Why you gotta play that DeWe IGAN, as they say in the Midwest? No, it's DeWe gun. DeWe. And then that little apostrophe is like the dash in the word uh-oh. Uh-oh. DeWe gun. DeWe gun. Drum. DeWe gun. Drumstick. But sweetie, can you get the count on the line for us? You want me to call the count Von Count? Yeah, sure. We're gonna call up Count Von Count, see if he's up yet. Well, you know, he's probably just going to bed because he's up at night. Remember, he's a vampire. Oh, that's right. Now we're probably gonna wake him up. Okay, it's ringing. BOOZHOO, Count Von Count. Hi, it's Natasha. Yeah, did we wake you up? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you were probably in your casket getting some sleep, huh? Yeah. Say, do you want to be on the show this morning? Yeah. NANABOOZHOO wants to talk to you. Okay, hang on, I'm going to transfer you. Okay, sweetie's on line 2. All right, cool. Line 2. Count Von Count, welcome back to the show. NANABOOZHOO, I was fast asleep in my coffin, and I heard the ringing of my phone. I had to get up, and who's there but the lovely and the talented Natasha? Yeah, I asked her to call you for me. I wanted to teach you. You're all about counting, right? Yes, I am about counting, but I am so much more than just a counting count. As you know, I am also a vampire. I say good evening and fly into the night as a bat. Yeah, we all know what you do. Well, here are some Ojibwe words I wanted to throw by you. Did you know the Ojibwe word for good evening? Good evening. No, how do you say good evening in Ojibwe? Well, in Ojibwe we say Mino Onagoshin. Mino Onagoshin. Mino Onagoshin. Now when I come to the reservation, instead of saying good evening, I shall say Mino Onagoshin. Yeah, there you go. Although half the people are going to have no idea what you're saying. And if you want to say good night, you say Mino Dibekad. Mino Dibekad. I see. It is a good night to go out tonight and bite people on the neck and drink their blood. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, so here's counting to 10 in Ojibwe. I love to count in Ojibwe. Will you please teach me how to count to 10 in Ojibwe? I'd be happy to count. He's fired up. Yeah, he is. All right. So, number 1. Beijing, not Bijig. Oh, Michael, what? You got a misprint in your list here. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Okay. It's not Bijig. It's supposed to be Beijing with an E. Beijing. 1. Right. And 2 is Nij. 2. Nij. Beijing. Nij. Yep. 3 is Niswi. Niswi. 3. Beijing. Nij. Niswi. Yep. Then 4, we call that Ni Win. Ni Win. 5 is Nanan. 5. Nanan. Yep. 6, Ningod Waswe. Ningod Waswe. 6. Ningod Waswe. Yep. 7 is Nij Waswe. 7. Nij Waswe. Nij Waswe. Yep. 8 is Nish Waswe. Nish Waswe. Nish Waswe. 8. Yep. 9, Zhongaswe. Zhongaswe. 9. Zhongaswe. And then 10, Midaswe. Midaswe. 10. Let me see if I can count to 10 in OJIBWE. Yeah, go for it, buddy. Beijing. Nij. Niswe. Ni Win. Nanan. Ningod Waswe. Nij Waswe. Nish Waswe. Zhongaswe. Midaswe. I can count to 10 in OJIBWE. Yeah, that's pretty good, Count. But can you sing it? Oh, let me try. Beijing, Nij, Neswe, Ni Win. Nanan, Hanin, God Waswe. Nij Waswe. Nish Waswe. Zhongaswe and Midaswe. You know what, Count? You're all right. Oh, but I love to count to 10 in OJIBWE. Yeah, you're a real good sport. But now I must return to my coffin. I am getting so sleepy. For as you know, I sleep during the day. Because the sun, it burns my skin so. Yeah, I don't want you to get sunburned. How do you say good night once again in OJIBWE? We say Minnow Dibikad. Well, NANABOOZHOO, let me bid you a very fond Minnow Dibikad. Good night. I must go to sleep. Hey, good night, Count. To you, Natasha. Minnow Dibikad. Good night. Yeah, we'll see you, buddy. The Count. He's awesome. Yeah, he sure loves counting. Yeah, he does. I guess that's how he got his job on Sesame Street. Probably. Minnow. Good. Good night. Sleep tight. And may the dreams come true. With a wish and a prayer that all your dreams come true. And now till we meet again. Adios. Au revoir. Giga min. Hey, that rhymes. Yeah, it works out. Anyway, we're not done here yet. Da 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 na 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 na. Hoka, hey baby babe. Hey, Missy's here. Cousin Missy, BOOZHOO. Mito, Giga Jabe, Cousin Missy. How you doing? Why don't you pull up a chair? Get yourself a cup of makare mash kikiwabu, which I thought we had here. Did I change that? Methinks thou doth protest too much. What? Are you quoting Shakespeare again? Yeah, kind of. Methinks thou dost. Well, Missy, we're talking about the drum today. You know, the Dewey gun. Dewey gun. And the drumstick. Missy knows a lot about drumsticks. What do you mean? Yeah, because she's got a pair of chicken legs. Hey, shut up! She just gave us $10. Hey, cousin Missy, meekwetch. Meekwetch for your very generous super chat. Thank you so much. We're gonna have to dedicate a song for her. Okay. Miigwechka Junia, weda, Miigwech Missy Charlie, we love you, Gigawaba Man, I meant Gizagain, baby, yeah. So anyway, I'm in a weird mood this morning. Yeah, me too. All right, enough clowning around. We got important business to get to. Really? Like what? Oh, I don't know. Maybe a song by Michael Lyons? Already? No, maybe not. Let's see, what can we talk about today? Bleep, 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 bleep. Oh, hang on, honey, someone's on the phone. BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO! Natasha speaking. Oh, well, hi! I thought you were dead. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sure, you could be on the show. You want to talk to NANABOOZHOO? Okay, hang on, I'm going to transfer you. NANABOOZHOO, you got to call on line 2. Line 2, eh? BOOZHOO, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Shamoa. Hey, NANABOOZHOO, it's me, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, the king of pop? No, that's ignorant. Allegedly. What do you mean? I was allegedly the king of pop. I don't even like pop. It's poopy water. You don't like pop? No, that's ignorant. You should never drink Pepsi. Oh, that kind of pop. I shouldn't drink Pepsi? No, that's ignorant. If you drink Pepsi, your hair will start on fire. Oh, that's right. What's he talking about? Remember that Michael Jackson's hair caught on fire when he was doing the Pepsi commercial? Oh, yeah. Wow, did you milk that little mishap? Your hair catches on fire, and you use that to excuse decades of failed plastic surgery? No, that's ignorant. I've never had any plastic surgery, except maybe one time on my nose, and one time on my chin, and my eyes, and my jawline, and my eyeliner, and my tummy, and my neck. But otherwise, I've never had any plastic surgery. That's ignorant. Okay. So don't drink pop? No, it's gross. You know what? I just had a 7-Up the other day for the first time in about a year. What'd you think? Yeah, it's pretty good. I put a little squeeze of lemon in there. I mean, for a guy who only drinks water and coffee, I was like, wow. There's a partying going on in my mouth. So what can I do for you today, Michael Jackson? I wanted to learn the Ojibwe word of the day, of course. Oh, sure. Well, today is Ojibwe word of the day. Dewey gun means drum. Dewey gun, drum. Oh, like the Indians pound on. Like everybody pounds on. And if you want to pound on a drum, you have to use a Dewey gun natig, a drumstick. No, that's ignorant. What do you mean? You don't need to use a drumstick. You can just use a drum machine, silly. Or you can use a drum machine, I guess. I wonder if more people would go to powwows if they had like drum machines instead of, you know, those chubby guys sitting around the drum. Hey! No, that's ignorant. All right, let's try this. What's a Michael Jackson song? Man in the Mirror? What's a funkier one than that? Eddie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? And Michael, are you okay? Are you okay, Michael? Hee hee, Shamoa. I can't get my groove on. Yeah, me either. It's hard to sing and play the drum at the same time, huh? When I can't really explain it, but it's tricky for me. What was oh, here we go. Billie Jean is not my lover. He's just some girl claims that I am the one. And Natasha, you got a beautiful singing voice. Yeah, doesn't she? But the kid is not my son. Wow. You should have sang that song instead of Michael. No, that's ignorant. I'm the king of pop. Yeah, okay. Hee hee, Shamoa. So what else is going on in your death? Allegedly. How's heaven? Oh, it's okay. There's a lot of fire. Listen, man, I gotta go before I get in trouble. Would you like to learn our word for I will see you again, Michael? Yes, of course. How do you say I will see you again in Ojibwe? Well, in Ojibwe, we say Gigawaba min, Minowa. Gigawaba min, Minowa, NANABOOZHOO. And Gigawaba min, Minowa, Natasha. Yeah, you too, Michael. Gigawaba min, Minowa. No, that's ignorant. Hee hee, Shamoa. There's always a little bit eccentric, huh? Yeah. What's your final opinion on all that? Do you think Michael was guilty? Guilty of what? Well, I can't really say it on the children's television workshop here. Right. You know, I go back and forth. Because sometimes I think, no, they never found any evidence. And all of his accusers were weirdos. Yeah. I saw a picture of his last. Well, but then there's the Michael. Remember when he tried to do a documentary to help his image? And he ended up getting filmed holding hands with like a 14-year-old boy in the kitchen. Yeah, he wasn't even embarrassed. Yeah, he was just like, well, we're friends. Friends hold hands. It's like, not like that. But I saw that guy now. I mean, now he's, I don't know, 75 or something. He's not that old. He's like a middle-aged guy. And it was like somebody Michael Jackson would have nothing to do with anymore. Right. But, yeah. Well, I don't know if he did anything, but I definitely think he wanted to. Yeah. That's probably what he definitely wanted to. And he had all kinds of creepy desires that, I mean, half of his songs, he basically, told us. PYT, pretty young thing. No. Yeah, exactly. PYT, what was that about? If they ask why does he do me that way? Tell him that it's human nature. What? Does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. What? Who's writing your lyrics, Michael? Is that you? His lyrics are gross. Anyway, you want to get up here? Sure. I'm going to turn the camera over to the lovely and the talented Natasha. But first, this song by the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Never coming back here again. But I'm never coming back here again. This is Never Coming Back Here Again by Michael Lyons.
I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I was caught for 3 long years, lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this: one sad parting farewell kiss, goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. Oh, oh, oh. Never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. Tomorrow I'll say we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again.
Check 1, 2.
I'm
Check
never
1,
coming
2.
back here again.
How you doing,
Never
Sadie?
coming
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you?
About ready to start a show today?
Yeah, you are.
Mind if I drink your coffee? Oh, sweetie, that's really good coffee today. Okay, everything is okay.
BOOZHOO! How you doing? BOOZHOO, Benashiag. Hello, birds. What's good in the neighborhood? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day on the bike trail. Won't you be mine? Could you be mine? Well, I just wanted to come out here real quick, maybe say a little prayer. Say hello to the birds. Do a little squatching. Sasquatch watching. Go hunting for Subway. Bigfoot. La 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 la. Did I bring some tobacco? Asema. Tobacco. What you wanna do? Odapana niwi asema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kakake. No, miigwech kaishi kakina keku. Kaishi chikean nungom. Thank you for my life. Miigwech kapamarazian. Thank you for healing my sadness. Miigwech kakake. Niwi koshkinda moen. And thank you for listening. Dash miigwech ka bisandawi egg. Amen. Apayenge. Mumanik. You can also say Mumanik. A lot of those old powwow drummers, when they get done playing on the drum, they'll say Mumanik. That's enough. That's good. And I remember old Benny Tonts. He'd always say, Nagamunda! Nagamunda! Before we'd start singing. Nagamunda, let's sing! Nagamon, sing! Nagamunda, let's sing! Hoka hey! Hoka hey! I don't know, man. Such a pretty autumn day, autumn morning. What is it? Dagwagan Gigajeba. What? Oh, do I need to say something? I'm sorry. I was just wondering how long people would stay and watch if I just stopped talking and we just sat around and just were together outside. Here's something I learned. The difference between men and women. When women talk, they talk like I'm talking to you right now. I know everyone says, oh, Indians, they never make eye contact. Yeah, well, women do. Women, when they talk, they look at each other and face each other. And you might have some coffee or something, you know. Men, when they talk, they sit next to each other and stare in the same direction. They don't like looking at each other. I mean, they don't mind talking, but I think it comes from back in the days of the grandfathers when men were always like hunting or fishing. You know, you had to be looking out. We always had, you know, or even watching the flock of sheep at night or whatever. Now the conversations would take place while looking somewhere else. You go, oh, you know, we're going to look there. But the conversations women had were back at the lodge or whatever. They could. It's also like your mother and the baby. You know? That's the first time somebody makes eye contact with you as your mom. And so, you know, there's a lot of conversation that's, with women, it's, you know, face on. With men, it's sideways. I don't know why that's interesting to me, but oh, it's Tuesday. That's usually, dig if you will, a picture day. I wonder if I have any pictures I could share back at the house. Dig if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. Did you see the picture of India landing on the moon Landing a spaceship on the moon? Oh, it's exciting. Did you believe it? Do you ever see anything and don't believe it? Or do you believe everything that is presented to you? Look, here's video of India landing a spaceship on the moon. Kind of looks like the moon footage from the 60s when America landed men on the moon. I know, I'm getting into the moon landing again. Look at this picture. How could you fake that? I'm never coming back here again. This is it, birds, this is the end. Tomorrow we'll say we could still be friends. All right, B'nai Shiyag. All right, birds, I better Mahjong. I better leave. But, you know, I'll be back tomorrow. I just don't have anything to say this morning, really. I got no Auntie Natasha's Nibwako in. Too much Ojibwe teaching going on this morning, I think. But here's a phrase. But I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Minoa. Yeah, exactly. All right. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come inside?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
You got it. Now let's see, that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Okay, hang on. Doesn't seem to be working.
Did you jiggle the wire underneath the console?
Yeah, I'm jiggling it and pushing the button.
Push the button first, and then while you're holding the button down, you can jiggle the wire.
Push the button first and then jiggle the while I'm... Oh, here we go. Hey, there she is.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, this thing doesn't want to work anymore. It's got to shorten the wire.
Yeah, it's got I put some electric tape on there, and it was working for a while. But I think it got, I don't know.
Yeah, let me look at it.
Our teleporter's falling apart. You know. We gotta raise some Junia, Michael. We gotta buy some more stuff.
Well, Cousin Missy gave us $10.
Well, yeah, that's a start. Hey, everybody, if you'd like to be like Cousin Missy and support the show, click the links in the description to our Patreon page. You can sign up on Patreon for $25 a month. We'll send you a coffee cup. Or you can leave us a tip on PayPal. Or you can leave us a tip on... Oh, our GoFundMe.
Yeah.
I was forgetting. What's the other one? Or you can help us raise our $8,000 campaign on GoFundMe. We still need about $1,000. I halfway expected, you know who, to just drop us some cash.
Yeah, he still might.
Anyway, I won't say his name yet. Miigwech to everybody who's been supporting the show so far. And if you'd like to, if you're a school teacher or a principal or something, and you'd like to invite us to come visit, we do a live show, if I can find the text. Here it is. To schedule a BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO live show, drop the rockstar cartoonist Michael Lyons a line down here on, send him an email at mlyons1984@yahoo.com. Otherwise, baby doll, do you want anything?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Okay. Well, hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech. Miigwech gabizaдаwieg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech gadawabieg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
You serious?
My name is Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, hey, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much, everyone.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba man. Minawa. Awa. What's up with J. Jonah Jameson anyway?
I don't know about that guy. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. To speak Ojibwe. Demon Wayne Dum G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.